Thanksgiving at the Omni Mount Washington Resort and Spa is all about comfort, community, and care. This year, Executive Chef Dan DeFusco and his team are making it easier than ever to bring that magic home with a Thanksgiving to-go feast for 6.
I mean, why not make the day a little easier, right? We can offer up what we do, which is, comfortable yet elegant, right? And then give you the opportunity to just take it home with you.
And when he says Thanksgiving dinner, he means a real Thanksgiving dinner, beautifully prepared and ready to serve.
Set it up the way you do. You don't need to tell your friends you didn't make it. Why? Whole turkey, right? Slow roasted. We like to slow roast our turkeys. We actually rather take a couple extra hours and make sure they're gonna be super juicy. 12 to 14 pounds, right? So plenty for the 6 people. We're constantly basting this with olive oil and herbs. It's really picks up a lot of that fragrance without being too overly heavy with butter. Cornbread and pecan stuffing. It is very, very savory with some good crunch still from the pecans in there. Squash and mushroom fricassee. It kind of gives you this warm, creamy casserole feel to your holiday. Delicata squash, acorn squash, butternut squash, and then local mushrooms in a really nice, creamy, garlicky sauce. This is our wild apple and cranberry chutney. It gives you that cranberry sauce feel, but we're able to introduce some of the local wild apples to the area into this and really give you some local sense of what we're doing. A local Maine potato gratin with Cabot cheddar and chives. Maple cinnamon roasted sweet potatoes. A little bit of local maple syrup, rosemary, thyme. We have some local greens, right? We have to keep it a little bit lighter sometimes with all the eating we're gonna do on Thanksgiving. Green beans, olive oil, salt, fresh spices, and that's it. We have a maple oat cornbread muffin that we make, and then some of our house dinner rolls. This bread pudding, it's one of my favorites. This is apple cider donut bread pudding. It's awesome. We make our own apple cider donuts here. If you look at this pie, you know what you're getting. A gorgeous, crusty, delicious apple pie made with local McIntosh apples. We wanted you to see the product, right? We feel good about it. We're confident in it. And if I can make you hungry and make you come get it, even better.
Even the packaging got the chef's full attention.
As much thought as we put into the food, we put into the packaging. Most of the packaging we're gonna send is servable. And then if you wanna take it out and put it on your own plates and do those things, you can.
What matters most to Chef Dan is the feeling his food leaves behind.
Just having that same feeling you would have if you made your own homestyle meal, that warmth and comfort. If you finish this meal and have that warmth and comfort that you would have had, that's what we're looking for.
That incredible feast will cost you just $300, but the drinks are not included. To order, just call the number at the bottom of your screen, and we'll see you here.